Hi, today's word of the day has been suggested by John. It is pyjamas. Pyjamas is a plural noun. Please note that in American English, the Y is replaced by an A. The American English version is closer to the word used in India, where it came from in the 19th century. A pair of pyjamas consists of a loose jacket and loose trousers that you wear in bed. Some example sentences are: spending all day in your pyjamas as an adult is a rare luxury that I still enjoy. These days, I prefer wearing loungewear to pyjamas, as I can actually wear these all day and fewer people complain. Sales of pyjamas increased dramatically during the COVID lockdown.